Hi, my name is Anna Nikipirovic, and today I would like to show you how to knit the Continental way. If you have never tried the Continental method, then please do give it a try, and I hope my video will help you. Enjoy. To control your tension, you can either wrap your yarn around your pinky finger or around your ring finger and then slide it underneath the index finger. What I usually do, I kind of weave the yarn out around my fingers. So I go over my pinky, under my ring, over my middle finger and under my index finger. You see, because this is where I will be picking the yarn from. Right, let's start with the knit stitch. So with your right hand needle, insert your needle into the stitch, as if you would for knitting normally. Go behind the working yarn and then pull this yarn through the loop and then slide the stitch of your left hand needle. So let's do this again. Insert your right hand needle into the stitch, go around your working yarn, pull it through the stitch and drop your stitch that you have just worked off your left hand needle. One more time. Into the stitch, around your working yarn, pull it through and slide the stitch of the left hand needle. Now I'm going to show you how to make the purl stitch. I'm going to show you my favorite method of making this stitch, which is called the Norwegian purl. And the wonderful thing about this method is the yarn stays always at the back of your work, which means that transitioning from knit to purl makes it incredibly easy. So let's try the Norwegian purl stitch. Your yarn, your working yarn is at the back of your work. Place your right hand needle behind the working yarn. Insert your needle into the next stitch as if to purl. Then rotate the right hand needle so it's in line with the left hand needle. Then grab the working yarn, place it to the front of your left hand needle and pull it through the loop. And then slide the stitch just worked off the left hand needle. Let's do this again. Place your right hand needle behind your working yarn, insert it into the next stitch, rotate your needle so it's in line with the left hand needle, grab your working yarn, rotate it to the front of your left hand needle and then pull this loop through and slide the stitch you just worked into from the left hand needle. One more time. Place your right hand needle behind your working yarn, insert it into the stitch, rotate it so it's in line, grab the working yarn, place it to the front, pull it through and slide it off. It might look very complicated, but as with everything, practice makes perfect. So I hope you have enjoyed the video and will give Continental knitting a try.